Welcome, Gemini, to my channel Tarot Queen 777. This is your weekly reading from December 5th to December 11th for love and career. So let's dive into your reading for love. Okay, let's see what the general energy is this week, what these cards have to say. Beware of codependency. Addictive behaviors are affecting your romantic life. So this could be an overdoing of any kind of habit, not necessarily alcohol or any kind of substance, but this could also be, overdoing work, overdoing romance, overdoing other aspects of your relationship. So let's pick three cards in the past, three cards in the present, and three cards in the future. Let's pick your main challenge and then let's clarify each of those cards for your relationship with the person on your mind, Gemini. You have the Nine of Pentacles and Little Trickster. You have the Ace of Wands, the Ten of Swords, Temperance, and you have the Tower, and you have Justice, and you have the Two of Swords, and you have the Seven of Wands, and your main challenge is death. Okay. And what you don't see coming at the bottom of the deck for you is the Ace of Cups, a new beginning. Maybe for those of you looking for a relationship, this is a good time to materialize that relationship, a new bond, new love, new relationship, a new person in your life. It could be anyone. So, as death shows, maybe something is coming to an end. Many of you could be closing a relationship cycle, kind of getting out of a relationship or kind of seeking closure, you know. Uh, Again, the Ten of Swords and Temperance and the Tower clarify that. Something has jolted you, even as you're trying to stay moderate and balanced. Something has jolted something is coming to an end. For those of you in a committed relationship, even then, something is coming to a close, something is coming to an end. And going forward, there is a little bit of stress, a little stressful time for you, Gemini, going forward in this connection. So let's clarify death. You've got the Page of Wands, the Six of Wands, and the Tower. So, going forward, you kind of want to communicate a lot of things. A lot of things have gone unsaid in this connection. A lot of things have gone unspoken, unsaid in this connection. A lot of you could be dealing with someone really popular, someone with a great personality, or someone famous, and definitely something has jolted you. The Nine of Pentacles is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. So, definitely for a lot of you, there is a certain kind of walking away from the relationship. There is no looking back. You feel that way at the moment. You're kind of walking away from a connection, walking away from a relationship. Little trickster. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands. The Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Swords, the Three of Cups, and the Page of Swords. Expect communication this week, and there seems to be, other aspects of life or other people in your life taking up your mental space, taking up your time and your space. So, yeah. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Seven of Swords, the Lovers, and the Star. So, going forward, this cycle that is coming to an end, this painful cycle of conflict and misunderstandings is coming to an end. There has been some dishonesty, but the love is really strong. And you are hoping for the best despite everything. You haven't really closed yourself off from this connection emotionally. Temperance is clarified by the Wheel of Fortune, the Eight of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So, this seeking of balance, there's a little bit of stress, Uh, they are going away from the stress. So, you're looking to the aspects of your life that are actually in balance and kind of leaning on those aspects of your life to give you a sense of comfort and completion. The Tower is clarified by the Six of Pentacles, Death, which has come up again, and the Nine of Cups. So, definitely for many of you, this could be the end of a relationship, the end of a connection. You know, Justice is clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. Other matters apart from this person on your mind are taking up your mental space, and you are looking to fulfilling your responsibilities in other aspects of your life. The Two of Swords is clarified by the High Priestess, the Hierophant, and the Four of Pentacles. A lot of holding back, a lot of things going unspoken, unsaid, And the Seven of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. If and when communication comes in this connection, expect it to linger on past mistakes, past things that have gone wrong in the past. And what you don't see coming at you in the shadow is the Seven of Cups. A lot of sevens energy. Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Seven of Cups. Did we get? Yeah, we even got the Seven of Swords. So all the seven cards are here, 7, 7, 7, 7. So you really hope for the best against all odds. You are not counting your losses as such at this moment. So that's all I have for you for your relationship, Gemini. Let's see what the cards have to say about your career. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You can leave me a comment. I will definitely reply. And if you want a more personalized reading, the details are in the description box. Let's see what the cards have to say about your career. Let's pick 3 cards in the past, 3 cards in the present, and 3 cards in the future. What is December 5th to December 11th for Gemini? You've got the Three of Swords. You've got the Sun. You've got the Ace of Pentacles. You have the Four of Swords. You have the Nine of Cups. You have the World. You have the Two of Pentacles. You have the Hermit. And you have the Nine of Cups. So, for a lot of you, it's been a stressful time career-wise. Maybe finances have been a challenge, or you are kind of balancing out too many aspects of your life. You're not really getting time, breathing space. You have too many things on your plate, too many things taking up your time. You are quite determined. You're kind of manifesting something which will come to pass. It will kind of materialize. And in whatever you're doing now is going, whatever you're manifesting now is going to materialize in 2 years. Now, that's a long time. But yes, that's what the cards are showing. And that's all I have for you for career. You've got the Three of Swords here, the Four of Swords here, the Two of Pentacles, showing a stressful time. Showing a stressful time. Let's see what the Gita cards have to say for you, Gemini. Let's see what the wisdom from the Gitas is for you. You've got the Father. So the thing is that this is a time of nurturing your whatever, is going well for you. Kind of being grateful, looking at the positives, looking at those two standing cups and not the three cups that have spilled, as the Five of Cups shows. And it's a time of focusing on the material aspects of life, the material aspects of life. So that's all I have for you, Gemini, for this week. See you next week. Bask in love and light. Bye.